Hey everybody, this is Airsoft Master 731 coming to you with another video. This is a review on my Airsoft Ruger. It is a UHC P98 Ruger spring airsoft pistol. It's a good gun, 280 FPS. It's really accurate, and that I like about it, but it's a spring, so you know. I'll show you how accurate it is. But like shooting the pillow and everything. I'm gonna go to the smallest from smallest to biggest. Smallest being that thing right there. Let's see if I can hit it, because I'm not a great shot. So you know, accurate. Yeah. Hold it up while I get it. Cut. There. Got it, and time for the last one, which will be hard to hit. Got it. In my opinion, this is a very good starting weapon. I like it. Has a 15-round magazine, which isn't huge, but you know, it's a good gun. It's fun to mess around with. So, that's all. Bye.